Hello, you gorgeous people out there. Welcome to my channel, Missy Debs. And today I'm going to recreate the Sonam Kapoor for 90s Bollywood makeup look. So, let's get started. In her tutorial, she started with her makeup with vitamin C serum, but I'm going to use Good Vibes Rosehip serum instead. In this video with Vogue, Sonam Kapoor has also described and discussed about the issues with finding best products that work better for Indian skin tones and how to keep our skin healthy as well. Then I'm going to moisture my skin with MCaffeine uplifting cream. Then I'm going to use Neutrogena SPF. I have tried many sunscreen, but to me I think Neutrogena works better. I just have to take a little amount on my fingertip and just then put it on my skin. I'm going to use a concealer under my eye, above my eyelid, and today I am also going to use the concealer on my face as well because she has used it. In this video, she has mentioned many problems that we Indian women face because we cannot find the correct foundation shade for our skin, and it's absolutely true. In here I'm going to use Maybelline foundation. She's my daughter, Ruhanika. She loves to sit beside me when I do my makeup. Well, I have used Maybelline 128 Warm Nude. It's comparatively closer to my skin shade, so I use this often. But most of the time, for that reason, I have to use two shades. I mix up two foundation together and I use it when I go out for a wedding party or a night out. So that my skin looks a bit brightened. I'm using a loosen powder to set my base makeup, and it's done. I'm going to use Maybelline Kajal in brown shade, as she has used this as well, a brown shade, and then I'm going to smudge it up.
Well,
my daughter has taken my smudging brush, so I'm going to use this one instead. Now I'm using a brown shade from Maybelline eyeshadow palette to give it an intense look. And after applying my kajal and the brown shade eyeshadow, I'm putting a little bit of shimmer. In this tutorial, she's also mentioned that to hydrate your skin and cleanse your skin thoroughly, you should drink plenty of water. Yes, clean food and lots of water are the key to great skin, because it hydrates your skin completely from inside. We should start eating more vegetables, especially green ones, green vegetables, juices, fruits. It's better to eat fruits rather than juices, because while we are chewing fruits, we also get the fibers, which is very essential for us. Well, I have just used a blush on my cheeks, a pink shade. Well guys, all the products that I have used in this video, I'll mention it in the description box. You can go over there and find all the details about it. Basically, all the products that I have used are all drugstores. You can have this easily on any of the cosmetic sites like Myntra or Nykaa, as well as Kapoor, and obviously in the shops. Actually, this makeup is a very basic one. I've just used a bit of foundation, concealer, a little blush, and just a little highlighter. And on my eyes, I've just used a shimmer and a brown eyeshadow and just a brown kajal. And I've just smudged the kajal up and just created a simple classic look. And on my lips, I'm putting a red lipstick. It's from Blue Heaven. It's a gorgeous one. The price is very, it's a very cheap product, but the color is really good. It's a very bright color, and it's a matte. After some time it will just dry up and it will give me a matte look. I'm done with my makeup. Now I'm going to put a little bindi on my forehead as well, because she has also used a kajal pencil to draw a bindi on her forehead, so I'm doing that also. I'm using my pencil liner and yes, I'm done. Now I'm going to put some accessories. She has we have seen on her video that she wore her mother's silver jewelry, but in here I'm going to use German silver. And about this jewelry, guys, I have made this. I haven't purchased anything. I have made this on my own. All my imitation and artificial jewelries, everything, whichever I wear, I do it myself, except for the gold and diamonds ones. And my look is done. I hope it is a good look. Basically, if you go for a day out somewhere, for a family get together, or a or a party, or a family party, you can go for this look. I'm putting some sindoor on my forehead as a I'm married lady and I'm done. Guys, if you really like this video, subscribe, do subscribe.